shaky labor to no come back home. Come back home to the Prime Minister on a party. Alright. Pull up. Share up the live, guys, at the camera know that we're here because we start at 10 exactly. We now waste no time. We'll go from 10 to 12. 2 hours. 2 hours from 10 to 12. Tap up the screen, share the live, and follow me on TikTok. Make sure you now follow me. Make sure you now follow me on TikTok. Like up the live, share the live, and let the others know that we are here. We trample frustration and we conquer stress. No shaky labor right round here. No, wake up. Not even that keep me on. Can't go back where they came from. No demonic PNP shall prosper, yes. And the dirty mark golden and bunting, cause they can't stop and do Holness. Dirty mark golden shall prosper, yes. Share up the live, guys. Good night, Rosemary. Good night, Best PM. We're starting at 10. And put up a fight, cause we can do anything. And should you feel like giving up, let the strength of your ancestors fill your cup. The power of God preserves life and God. Tasha said no farmer card now run. So one thing we do, you know. One thing we do, Natasha. I don't like if PNP coming up, I don't think could I get any farmer card. Eh? I don't think if Mark going win tomorrow, man, and not get any farmer card. I better humble yourself and come back home to the party. You know a good phone. Oh. Cause they can't start good. Where you come ask about farmer card for Tasha? Eh? Who not get it from? Who not get farmer card from? PNP only look out for themselves. Oh, boy, yeah, you not get no. So when you never get none long time, you're not just born. When you never get none under the 18 years and a half under PNP. Why you never get no farm work under PNP long time, Bruce? 18 and a half years under PJ Party, so we never get no farm work card. We never get none under Porsche. You never get none under Porsche and PJ for 18 and a half years, but you go talk about say you are so what? If I the farmer card you want to vote, keep your vote. If I the farmer card you want to vote, keep on a vote. Okay, bros? Keep on a vote. Thank you. Can't go back where they came from. No demonic work perform shall prosper, yes. And the wobby and the science man come. Cause they can't touch and do Holness. Share the live, guys. If you don't get no farmer ticket on now, but keep on a vote. Cause me sure for the 18 and a half years on the PNP, you don't get no farm work. Oh. So Tasha, you don't need to worry about farm work ticket, Tasha. You're 26. You can't go out and get a skill or go on a college. We are worried about farm work for. It is a farm work, a easy work. Farm work, a slavery. So don't worry yourself about farm work. Go on a go get your skill. Or go on up a U, we go get your degree or up a U-Tech or up a X-Ed. Don't worry about farm work ticket, sister. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, young people, before I start my program. I want to start running on farm work ticket. When you go on a college, go get no degree, and you can apply for job overseas if you don't want. What is farm work ticket to now run? But you know, go on up a UI, or go on up a U-Tech, or go on up a Excel, or go get a degree. Once you don't get a degree, you can't get a job overseas. You know, pick up on a farm work is not the only pathway to foreign, you know, guys. What if you don't know? Farm work ticket is not the only pathway to foreign. Okay? When you can't go up on school permit, when you can't go up on work permit, when you can't go up on hotel work, when you can't go where the work them name. Other bully per permit. We're not worrying about farm work ticket for.
Yes, Tashi, you have a certificate for art. You can go up on the ship program. You don't have to go up on farm work, sister. You don't look yourself, man. I'm not bother with it tonight. No bother with it tonight. Farm work ticket is not the only pathway to foreign. Because me no go up on farm work and me have how much visa in my book. So I'm not bother worry about the farm work, okay? Don't look yourself and go and work with the party in a power, man. Sure. Rock and come in, labor rights. I'm gonna start at 10. Tap up the screen. Me no reach 10K like it, you know. Tap up the screen now, guys. Farm, you know, don't make Mark Golden and data and Campbell check about farm work ticket. Farm work ticket is not the only pathway to foreign. Numerous routes to foreign. You can't go past work program. You can't go past student program to Canada. You can't get a degree and go to America. Right now, America take a degree. You can't go on cruise ships. You can't go on what about program? The farm work is not the only pathway to foreign, sister. Don't worry yourself about farm work because Mark Golden not good no farm work ticket. No farm work ticket Mark Golden not good because when PNP na power sell farm work ticket. I sell PNP sell farm work ticket when they in a power. Okay. Shall prosper, yes. And you will be an dirty PNP. Share the life, comrades. Share up the life, no man. Share the life, comrades. Tap up the screen as well. Get me to 10K. Share the life, comrades. You don't have to worry about no farmer ticket, labor right. Don't worry about no farmer ticket. And your Holness has fixed this economy. You can get jobs, span jobs. You don't have to go pick no tomato and go pick no melon. You can go for it on different avenue. You don't have to go on farm work. That is all PNP are promising. Oh, when me with me I go to farm work ticket. They're not good none. They're not good enough because when PNP in a power sell farm work tickets. So if you're one of the loyal folks, you're not get none. Oh. I don't know that too. No demonic work perform shall prosper, yes. And you will be and the science man come. Cause they can't touch and Holness. Shower labor rights. Shower labor rights. Good night. Good night, guys. I'm gonna tap up the screen and get me to 10K. Comrade, as you come in here, I'm gonna tap the screen as you come. Because I soon you have a lot to say, a lot of comment on not tap the screen. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm not black, you know. I'm not black, you know. I'm gonna come over here from my platform. But listen, you can't do a tap the screen so the other comrades know that you are here. So they can come and learn. Now, guys, first thing on the agenda tonight. Guys. Now. Mr. the PNP, them run up and down and talk about how Andrew Holness have charity and him a funnel money to him charity and in charity this and in charity that and in charity blah blah blah. Now, I want to refresh on a comrade memory about when one iron balloon Zara Burton said about Mark Jefferson Golden and his charity. You know remember? Now, you can type it in if you don't want, and you can read it. It is entitled Delinquent Non-Profit Mark Golden, Constituency St. Andrew South. Okay. Jamaica's opposition leader Mark Golden Foundation, on time in the UK, delinquent for years at home. Did you hear that, guys? Jamaica's opposition leader, Mark Golden's foundation, on time in UK, that is in country where in love and the country of him birth, and delinquent for years at home. All right. Now, let's go, comrades. When 18 degree north initially checked in summer of 2022, Jamaica's opposition leader, Mark Golden, was a trustee or director of at least 5 non-profits of at least 5 non-profits. Want to hear that, comrades? All right. One in the UK based one in the UK where his father was born and 4 in Jamaica. But while the UK based organization has been in good standing with the charity authority there, all 4 in Jamaica were outstanding on their filings at the Company's Office of Jamaica for multiple years. When you hear that, comrades? I want to put up on if you want me to reread that. Because I soon run around like chicken without head. Talking about how Andrew Holness having charity doing this and in charity doing that. So I want to refresh on the memory at what Mark Jefferson Golding do with theme charity. This is an article written by one Zara Burton. Okay? One comrade Iron Balloon Zara Burton. She wrote this article. So let me refresh on the memory. Because it look like what is good for the goose is not good for the gander. Look like what is good for the goose is not good for the gander in Jamaica. Because so true Andrew Michael Holness black. And true Andrew Michael Holness come from a poor background and a poor family. Una text set pan him. And so let me want to refresh on them. Tap up the screen, guys, and get me to 20K quick and fast. So let's go. When 18 degree north initially checked in the summer of 2022, just wait here, Jamaica's opposition leader Mark Golding was a trustee or a director of at least 5 non-profit in the UK, 5 non-profit, 1 in the UK where his father was born and 4 in Jamaica. But while the UK-based organization has been in good standing with the charity authority there, because Mark Golding no respect we in Jamaica, you know, guys. In respect UK, in respect in country. In respect in country when love and when pledge allegiance to. So he make sure say he ma do good with that charity there and he ma pay up all in taxes pan that charity. You hear that, comrade? You hear that, comrade Andre? I hope you are listen. I hope you are listen, comrade Andre. Comrade Andre, you don't know where Mark Golding money come from because Mark Golding assets is hidden away in a trust. You can't see Mark Golding money. You can't see Mark Golding money, Andre. So have several seats, okay? And listen and learn. All right. One was so delinquent for more than 15 years. The COJ recently removed it from the register of companies. You hear that? 15 years Mark Jefferson Golding don't pay no tax pan in charity in Jamaica. 15 years, comrade. I don't have the audacity to be taking said by Andrew Holness. I want no man. How dare you hypocrites and vampires and bloodsuckers? According to Zara Burton, no go and read it to yourself. 15 years Mark Jefferson Golding not paying no tax pan in charity. 15 years. One was so delinquent for more than 15 years. The COJ recently removed it from the register of companies. The level of delinquency of Mark Golding's local organization called into question whether the attorney and one of the most senior lawmakers in Jamaica is more committed to the law of the UK than those at home. You hear that, comrade? You hear that? You don't want me to reread a part of the phone? You don't want me to reread a part of the phone? Hypocrite. Hypocrite. You don't want me to read a part of the phone? You don't have no moral authority to be speaking and nothing. You don't need to have several seats on all hypocrite and vampire and bloodsucker house slave. House slave, bossy slave. You no more want a white man. You no more want a white man than the man who born and grew in Jamaica. Bright. When you hear this? The level of delinquency of Mr. Golding local organization calls into question whether the attorney, one of the most senior lawmaker in Jamaica, is more committed to the UK than those at home. It also begs the question, why are Jamaican authorities so tolerant of low compliance? So do you hear that? Mark Jefferson Golding, the highest paid politician in the country, is not, according to Zara Burton, is not paying any tax on his charity for over 15 years. What not talk about, comrade? Comrade, me tell you every night, you know. If you don't live in a glass house, don't come over here so control no stone. Because you know me have the weakness for no sweetness over here. You know me have the ticket for no dreams over here. How is it that you know text it for Andrew Holness? How is it you know text it for Andrew about oh Andrew having charity and he's putting money in this charity and use it to this and use it to that? When Funo comrade leader over 15 years now, Funo comrade leader don't pay no tax spanning charity. The report is there, you type it in and read it on yourself. Type it in and read it for yourself, comrade. According to comrade Zara Burton, Mark Jefferson Golden has not paid any tax on his charity for over 15 years. You want me to read it again? The same Zara Burton where the one room Tete have over in life 2 nights in a row talk about the Prime Minister. She same one as she read the article here. The same iron balloon Zara Burton want to have over on a live. I try bring down Andrew Holness. She wrote this article. She said 15 years. The most senior member of the People's National Party, Mark Jefferson Golden, has not paid any tax on his charity for over 15 consecutive years. That is what Zara Burton said. I'm not going to tell me now, oh, not talk about Andrew Holness using charity. He can use charity to do anything he wants. It is his. It is his. And because you don't know how business work, you don't come up with a bag of foolishness. What about Mark Golden here, sir? Hey, comrade? What about Mark Jefferson Golden? Who, according to Zara Burton, Mr. Golden Charity, by law, non-profits in Jamaica are required to file annual returns at the company's office, listing the address of the registered office and details of the current director. They are also required to file financial certified by auditors containing the last balance sheet and profit and loss according to the statement. So 15 years Mark will not file none of that. You know hear that, comrade? 15 years Mark Jefferson Golden don't file nothing with the company offices of Jamaica according to Zara Burton. No, go and go Google it. Go and Google it, comrade. 15 years Mark Jefferson Golden did not find anything with the company offices of Jamaica. No, miss her, so I didn't say it. Me telling you, comrades. Me telling you, comrades, all hypocrite comrade, because you can't find nothing to bring down Andrew Holness. I'm not desperate for state power. I'm not desperate for state power. I'm not grasping at straws. Now, here's an article. Written by one Zara Burton about Mark Jefferson Golden delinquency within charity. And I don't know take on that. How comes? How comes, comrade? How comes? You don't know nothing to say about this. You guys have nothing to say about this. Tap up the screen, guys. Get me to 50K. You don't have nothing to say about this. This is an article written by Zara Burton. They also have similar requirements at the Department of the Cooperative and Friendly Society if they are registered charity. Plus, all non-profits must file tax return at the Tax Administration of Jamaica. But, hear the part here now, comrades. Hear the breaking news here now, comrades. Hear the breaking news here, comrade. I'm going to take me a little time when we talk about it. But, at the time of our initial checks in July 2002, Jamaica non-profit for which Mr. Golden was listed as the director, the Mona Rehabilitation Foundation Limited, Mona Preparatory School Foundation Limited, Vision Development Foundation Limited, and Greater Trenchtown Foundation Limited hadn't fulfilled all their filing requirements at the various authorities for multiple years based on the information garnered. You hear that, comrade? Comrade, don't you hear that? Comrade, I want to reread this. All hypocrite You don't want me reread this? This is a report about Mark Jefferson Golding, one who claim to say have clean hands and pure heart. This is an article about Mark Jefferson Golding, one who claims to have nothing to hide and clean like Jesus Bridget. So if this is the case, what happened to this article? This is an article about Mark Jefferson Golding, and me make it up, you know. Azara Burton say it. We don't have nothing to say about this. This is not corruption. This is not money laundering. This is not evasion of tax. Isn't this corruption, evasion of tax and money laundering? Are those words only reserved for Andrew Holness? Those words only put aside for Andrew Holness, comrades. So once a the white man, once a Braca master, you have nothing to say. Once a Braca master get away with murder, you guys have nothing to say. Okay. Oh, I see. Yes, boss slave. Yes, oh slave. Don't tap up the life, guys, and get me to 50K. Let me deal with the PNP them properly tonight. Let me deal with the PNP properly. This is an article written by one Zara Burton, and let me make it up, and I'm gonna read what she said. She said, but at the time of our initial checks, in July 2022, the Jamaican non-profits for which Mr. Golding was listed as a director, the Mona Rehabilitation Foundation Limited, Mona Preparatory School Foundation Limited, Vision Development Foundation Limited, and Greater Trenchtown Foundation Limited hadn't fulfilled all their filing requirements at the various authorities for multiple years based on information garnered. So based on this, where Zara Burton has said Mark Jefferson Golding charities are not paying their fair share of tax and they not filing proper paperwork. That is what Comrade Zara Burton said. So who not interested in this? Let me ask you a question, Comrade, when we come for tonight. This piece of information, who not interested in this piece of information? Don't let me know. Who not interested in this? Because once I know Andrew Holness, you guys are not interested, right? I see. But you not line up over our house. You not line up over Pit Tiley 2 nights in a row and listen to garbage from the rotten teeth boy door. You not line up over the pigsty 2 nights in a row and listen to garbage from Zara and the rotten teeth boy door. But no one hear this. You no one hear this about Mark Golding. But you no line up over the pigsty 2 nights in a row and walla in a mud. Okay. Oh, I see. Well, when you can go and go Google it. It is there. Meanwhile, in the UK, which is the country that Mark Jefferson Golding love and respect and when pledge allegiance to. Meanwhile, in the UK, the Sir John Golding Fund, of which Mr. Golding is a trustee, is listed as being up to date and seems to have a history of filing on time, according to an email respondent from the UK Charity Commission. So Mark Jefferson Golding is willing to stay up to date with the filing and the paperwork with the overseas charity. But when it comes to Jamaica, the country where he wants to run, the country that he wants to be prime minister of, the country that we the taxpayer paid money to pay him, Mark Jefferson Golding, who is the highest paid politician in the country, him don't even want to bring up in charity them up to date. You see that? Kind of respect we. Mark no respect we. Mark, let me tell you something, PNP people. Mark no busy with you know. I'm so go to the next story to prove that Mark Golding doing business with PNP people. This is not an overall view. Say Mark Golding no business with Jamaican people because it didn't even have a decency to pay up in charity in a Jamaica, in a the country where he claim to say love, in a the country where he say he want to be prime minister of. He not interested to pay up in paperwork and filing proper paperwork and bring up him charity up to date in a Jamaica. You know see that? You know see that, comrade? Mark Jefferson Jefferson Golin, una run up and down about how he have clean and pure and nothing to hide. But he can't bring up in charity up to date. He can't file the proper paperwork within charity in Jamaica. But according to Zara Burton, in UK, the Sir John Golin Fund, of which Mark Golin is a trustee, is listed as being up to date and seem to have a history of filing on time, according to an email response from the UK Charity Commission. So Mark Golin not care about Jamaica. You see that, comrade? You not waste no time about time come. You not waste no time about time come. And this is just an indication of more to come. More to come, and me soon proof. This is just a general thing to show no Mark will not care about Jamaica. He not care about rules and law in a Jamaica. He shit pan Jamaica. That is Mark Golin. He shit pan Jamaica. Because why would he not be paying up his taxes and bring up his charity paperwork up to date? What is stopping him? What is stopping Mark Jefferson Golin from bringing up his 5 charities up to date with the Jamaica system? What is stopping him? In comrade, no, you can't type in a chat and tell me. No, chat talk all different story, but when me realize we don't know, comrade. You don't come over here, but you don't come over here to engage me. You don't come over here to try and troll me and show me off topic. But you don't know me long enough, you know say that now work. You can't engage me. Cause me ask you a simple question. What is the reason why Mark Golin up to 2022, Mark Golin 5 charities are not up to standard? Why 15 years pass and Mark Golin not updating charity? Answer that, comrades. You can't because you constantly making excuse for the white master. You continue making excuse for the white master. Because you guys have no moral standard. Anything, you just want to the party in a power. That's all you want. You don't stand for nothing. You don't stand for nothing. You are hypocrite. You just want to the party in a power. Me ask one simple question. What is the reason why, according to Zara Burton, up to 2022, Mark Jefferson Golin charities are not up to standard? Answer that in the chat, comrades. One bright, brilliant comrade. Answer that. Okay? We're not wasting the time. The Sir John Golin Fund was named for Mr. Golin's late father, who, though a Brit, made it his life work. We don't know about the part there. No, but the part, now read that. Cause the jury is out on that. However, me don't need to talk about Sir John Golin. Me never born a film time. Me don't know when do. Me can't listen, me can't read that because it not benefit me. Me have to read the part where benefit when me want to forget. Hear that part I know, guys. However, after 18 degree north, notified Mr. Golin of the noticeable difference in compliance in the filing of his Mona Rehabilitation Foundation at the COJ were brought up to date. Oh, so after you hear the part I know, guys, because I don't know me like to bring the facts, you know. After Zara Burton bring it up to him now, Zara Burton say, however, after 18 degree north notified Mr. Golin of the noticeable difference in compliance, the filings of his Mona Rehabilitation Foundation at the COJ were brought up to date April 2023 and are now listed as in good standing. Okay? Hear that? So if Zara Burton never call him, if Zara Burton never call on a Bracca master, if Zara Burton never bring it to your attention, he want to go bring the paperwork up to good standing. You see that? You see that, comrade? And he's still, according to Zara, I don't see no evidence of him doing the next 4. I don't see him do the next 4. Yeah, look for the information, you know, guys, because I don't want to bring it up, I couldn't see it. Yeah, look for the evidence to say that Mark Golin bring up in rest of charity up to standard. Me not see it. Nothing. Why did it take so long? When asked why it took so long to remove Mona Preparatory School Foundation wrote to 18 Degree North wrote to not. When asked why it took so long to remove Mona Preparatory Foundation, the COJ wrote to 18 Degree North that two letters were written to the foundation in 2009 and 2015 to get the foundation to comply. And when that failed, it was placed in the removable queue in 2022. You see that? You see from when Mark Golina PN Charity them no mind? From 2009, comrade. Eh? From 2009, Mark Jefferson Golina PN Charity them. Eh? I don't have the audacity to be talking about Andrew Holness. Comrade won't knock man. Tap up the screen, guys. Get me to 50K. Remember, we're going from 10 to 2. Okay? So, comrade, I don't want to get this twisted, you know. The Jamaica Labour Party have nothing to hide. It is not about tit for tat. You know the reason why I pull up this article tonight? I pull up this article tonight to show the level of hypocrisy within the PNP people. I pull this article tonight not because I want tit for tat, because there's no evidence in the Integrity Commission half-done report to say that the Prime Minister has done anything wrong with the Reese Charity and he has not been delinquent. So it's not tit for tat. Me just pull up this charity, pull up this article to prove how no bias. Oh no bias, because uno ready for tear down Andrew Holness past stupidness. And here is this article right front of the face, right on the domain. You can read it to the ledger and ignore it. Of course, me go come back with the dining room chairman, sir. That is goes to show you say, uno words don't mean nothing to me. That goes to say, uno trolling. If me I go come back and change up anything want to criticize me, that means to say uno getting on my head. But if proof to uno say uno can't get in on my head, of course me come back with me first time dining chair from 1970s when my husband refurbished and paint over because of sentimental attached to him. Of course me come back with it. Of course, me come back with my husband dead left chair when father and mother used to use and he love it so much he refurbished. Of course. Because that for sure is a one who I said, nah, affect me. Okay? Next. Alright. Mark Jefferson Golden. Me say, guys, the way you all Mark Golden desperate to be the Prime Minister of Jamaica. And the one Peter Bunting where we wrote a kick out of Parliament, desperate to put back in foot in a Parliament. And the one Dana Scott Motley we cannot win a seat. Dana Scott Motley will never sit in the Parliament in no time. Because Dana Scott Motley can't put her name on a ballot because she can't win no seat because she not sell. The way all Mark Golden and him people them desperate for farm government. Mark Golden and him people them farm them own a fake parliament. You don't see guys? Who see Mark Golden fake parliament today? Desperation is really setting in, you know. Eh? Desperation is really setting in with and Mark Golden led People's National Party, you know. Mark Golden set up him own a parliament today. Mark Golden, are you so thirsty? Me don't understand how the People's National Party and the Mark Jefferson Golden and Dayton Campbell say them are leading at the poll by 11 points. All you need to do is just sit down and humble and wait for the election. You're not supposed to kill up on yourself. Oh, not kill up on yourself, so PNP. Somebody send me a video of Mark Golden and him people them say they farm their own come Parliament today with Peter Bunting, the reject, the worst security minister in the history of Jamaica, the first and only security minister to be robbed in Jamaica, the only security minister that put up in and asked the divine intervention. One Dana Scott Motley we cannot win a seat. Oh, no, so desperate. Eh? Oh my God. Oh, no, desperate do. Eh? If Mark Golden and the PNP is leading in the poll as you say. But when I run go farm, when I own a parliament for Mark Golden can't. Look here. here, guys. They say, show me a company, I tell you who you are, you know. When you see how Mark Golding can't sit down comfortably in the parliament where the Jamaican people are paying him for sitting in the parliament. Me, I watch Mark Golding for the past 18 months. Mark Golding don't sit down until parliament end a Tuesday date. I'm going to realize that. Long before parliament adjourned, Mark Golding take up him bag and pan and gun. Why Mark Golding can't sit down and participate in the parliament where the Jamaican people are paying for sit and participate in? I find it very curious to know why Mark Golding cannot sit down and participate in a parliament. Mark Golding, you don't have no principle. You don't have no principle, Mark Golding. You don't even know when to take out your orange shirt. Imagine you are being paid by the people of Jamaica to sit in the parliament and debate. And as early as you come to parliament, you spend half an hour, you run down about your business. When you can't sit down and do the people's work. Why Mark Golding? What do Mark Golding, Fire 9 shoes? So Mark Golding can't sit down in a parliament because... So let me ask you a question, Mark Golding. Come here. Come here, comrade leader. Is it because Peter Bunting and Dayton Campbell in the parliament make you can't sit down in there Tuesday daytime? Is it because Peter Bunting and Dayton Campbell is not in the parliament make you can't sit down in their daytime, Mark Golding? Me I watch you. And every Tuesday, you don't sit down for more than 1 hour or 45 minutes. You take up your bag and pan and gone. Where can do a day's work, Mark Golding? Why can't you sit and do a day's work? And you come like Donald Trump. Busy body. So what we are paying you for? Why are we paying you, Mark Golding, when you cannot sit in the parliament and discuss parliament business? Today you run, you take your foot in your hand and run gone. Figure farm your fake committee with Peter Bunting, the loser. And Diane Jackson Miller, who can't win no seat. But she didn't, you may call her Diane Jackson Miller. She just has Diane Jackson Miller anyway. Two of them are the same thing. Scott Matley. Why Mark Golding, any bright comer can type in the chat and tell me why Mark Golding cannot sit in the parliament and complete a day's work? Why Mark Jefferson Golding cannot sit in the people's parliament and complete a day's work? Anybody can tell me? Every time Mark Golding come to the parliament house, Mark Golding don't stay for a day's work. He run gone. And him want to be prime minister. Then how Mark Golding go represent we internationally? How Mark Golding go sit down in a UN? Then Mark Golding, if you can't sit quietly for 2 hours without Bunting and Dayton, how you go represent we at the UN? How you go represent for overseas? Then you tell me now, Mark Golding say, if God forbid then you should come the prime minister of Jamaica, you carry Dayton and Bunting everywhere with you. Me curious, man. If God forbid and Mark Jefferson Golding should become the prime minister of the country, guys, everywhere Mark Golding are going for carry Peter Bunting and Dayton Campbell and Dana Scott Matley with him. Because look like say hands in his shoes. Because Mark Golding never sit down in a parliament until parliament adjourn yet. Him always a walk out. What you have to do so important, Mark Golding? What do you have to do so important more than the people's work? When the people elect you to come to the parliament and do? What do you have to do so important? Jesus, you're a big disgrace, Mark Golding. You're an embarrassment to the people of Jamaica. You run out of parliament today. Me think an emergency you have only to see you gone up, only to see you over YouTube with Peter Bunting and Dana Scott Matley. Those persons were not elected by the people of Jamaica. When you gone over there with them, them nano use, no we can't win no seat people them far. What about the people who elect you to sit in the parliament and represent them? Mark Golding, you is a disgrace. You can never take off your orange shirt, not even for a minute. You campaign day in and day out. You don't take a break. You don't take a break, Mark Golding. Oh my God. You do not take a break. Imagine you you come to the parliament to represent the people of where you elect you to come to the parliament and you couldn't sit down until the parliament adjourn Mark Golin? Oh, you so disgraceful. Eh? You don't have nothing about you. You don't have nothing at all. No good character about you. You don't love the people of Jamaica. You only love the PNP. You only love the PNP. You're only interested in a PNP business. You couldn't sit down until Parliament adjourn. And when you have to do so important, but you couldn't sit down in the Parliament for the little 2 hours. Eh? Because Bunty not there for hold your hand. Because data not there for tell you what to say. By the way, guys, type in the chat and tell me, Angela Brownborough come to Parliament today? Kind of look like she did it neither. So when you entourage you can't serve the people of Jamaica and the people of your constituency. You're a walking disgrace, Marky G. Oh my God. Me not tell a lie, Mark Golin. I am telling you, if you should become the Prime Minister of Jamaica, it's going to be an embarrassing 4 years. It's like when Donald Trump was the president for the 4 year, or the American people they embarrassed. That's how we are going to feel if you become the Prime Minister. Because you not know nothing about you. You not know class. You're not demure. You not nothing about you. You don't know when to wear orange and when to act with decency. You don't know when to take off your orange shirt and when to be patriotic. You is a disgrace. You is a disgrace, Mark Golin. I mean, me shudder to think if God forbid that you become the Prime Minister, if you are going to take off that orange shirt. Me nervous to think if Mark Golin, if God forbid, guys, because we can't say no, because in 2016, the Democrats never expect Donald Trump to win and he win. So we can't say, even though the third, we are looking for the third term, and even though, what is this? Even though we are looking for the third term, and even though the government has done the work, if God should forbid and Mark Golin become the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Jamaica going to be the laughing stock of the Caribbean. Because we don't have a proper representative. We don't. And so when we send him at the UN to speak on behalf of Jamaica, he not go to like Portia, when Portia go down to China, go talk about, oh, and I whip the fellow. I whip the fellow. Eh? Right now, Jamaica is the capital of the Caribbean. When you tell people you come from Barbados, people ask you for Jamaica. Jamaica is the capital of the Caribbean and the Andrew Michael Holness. Me shudder to think what happened if Mark Golin should win. Because Mark Golin don't take off his orange shirt. Eh? What is so important that Mark Golin have to do today while Mark Golin couldn't stay until the Parliament complete, guys? Eh? My God. Tap up the live, guys, and get me to 50K, please and thanks. Comrade, me soon over here enough. The least you can do, I tap up the screen now, man. Tap up the screen now, comrade. You don't know me now, black one, you know, because I know you guys are here to learn. You guys are here to learn, so me now, black one, just tap up the screen and let the other comrades know that we are here. Okay? Thank you. Now, let's talk about the poll. Now, guys, based on the Blue Dot poll today, 44% of the Jamaican people, let me see if I find it. Wait there, guys. I don't see none of my moderator. I don't see nobody if you come read nothing for me and send me a request. Based on the polls, guys, Blue Dot continue. Okay? So, I don't know me not run from poll, you know, guys. I don't know already. I don't know me not run from poll, there you go. I don't stay like who we run from poll, because I believe in a poll. Me believe in a poll. Now, based on the poll, the Jamaican people not have no confidence in the IC. I can't find the article. I wanted to find it, but I can't find it. Based on the poll, over 48% of Jamaican people saying that the IC is not doing a good job. So you must know, say, and a labor right alone talk about the integrity, the non-integrity commission led by Comrade Seymour Panton. Seymour Panton is a political hack. Seymour Panton is a PNP operative. As a matter of fact, everybody at the Integrity Commission is working on behalf of Mark Gold and the PNP. Every single body, everyone at the IC is working for the PNP. Mark Gold and the PNP is very obvious. It's very obvious, and I must say before we continue with the poll, guys, I am very proud of the member of my government that sat on the IC committee today. Normally me rub them, guys, and I know me already, me not take foot off her neck, but I must say that for the first time in a long time, I am very, very proud of the, even Miss Bartlett, me can cuss so. I am very, very proud of the members of the work today. Wanna really and truly do the work today. I must say I am very, very proud, because all along the government a pussyfoot round the IC, like we're afraid of the IC, like the IC put we in a power. The IC never put the Jamaica Labour Party in a power. Remember, the Integrity Commission never put the Jamaica Labour Party government in a power. So I wonder what one. So for the first time, I must say, I am Colonel Charles Jr. Big up a nice clean self. I am very proud that you come to work today, Minister. You came to work today, Minister. You represent yourself well. You represent the member of the Jamaica Labour Party. A long time we are called for this. A long time we are called for this, Colonel Charles Jr. A long time we are called for this, Madam Malawu Fort. Long time we was calling the member of the Non-Integrity Commission, summon them to the committee. Who is them? They report to the Parliament. Parliament report to them. Them a pass them place now. Them a pass them place now. So I want to say, guys, that anybody know watch it? Anybody who their work today and never get a chance to watch it, you don't need to put it in and watch it and listen. Oh, we Minister Charles do represent we well today.
Director of Corruption Investigation has within his remit and through the Section 7 and other sections in the Act all of the resources that are necessary to have extended himself through corporations with the bodies that he now seeks to have redetermined this matter from a...
You hear that, comrade? You hear that? The Integrity Commission, there's a section in the IC Act where I already give the Integrity Commission permission to bring in any agency or anybody where they want to bring in. They don't need any permission from the Parliament. They don't need any permission from the Parliament. That is why we continue to say this is a witch hunt. This is just political interference. Anything to put in Mark Jefferson Gold and the PNP in power. Listen to how Minister Charles put it eloquently. For all no bottom feeder comrade when I read and write for yourself. Listen and learn.
External position. Corruption Investigation has within his remit and through the Section 7 and other sections in the Act all of the resources that are necessary to have extended himself through corporations with the bodies that he now seeks to have redetermined this matter from an external position. He also says that he is making the recommendations, and I want to say thank you, because what Member Robinson has done is tantamount to supporting the call for us to summon the officers before us to answer questions. Because when you listen to what we are discussing now, not only do you have an extended and expensive process inviting and including a foreign expert for weeks to scour through all of what, at the end of that, there has been no adverse finding. And so you have to ask yourself, when you look on what is the goal of an investigation? You gather, you analyze, and you look on the facts and the evidence that are before you, and you use the authority that is within your remit to make a determination. The Integrity Commission has done just that. It has passed it to the professional who is the Director of Corruption Prosecution, and she has made a particular ruling. And because you don't agree, you seek now to push further, to have the matter not further treated within your parameter as a commission, but to use externalities to redetermine this matter. We have to ask ourselves whether this is not an abuse of process.
You hear that, comrade? You hear that, comrade? Abuse of process. I have been saying it for over a year now. Seymour Panton, Kevin Stevenson, Greg Christie. When next one name? Whatever I want, Evans or whatever name, enough of them up there. All of them up there. Them does all them up there do is try to undermine and sabotage the government because they want to put Mark Golding in a power. Nothing else. Nothing else. Because after 3 years, 3 long years, we not investigate the Prime Minister for. 3 years. We not bring in overseas auditor to come audit the Prime Minister. And after 3 years an overseas auditor, and Delroy Chuck also read something to say that we also calling FID and TAJ already. Already, there is section in the IC report, Chapa Sema will go through it next week. There is section in the IC report that the IC already calling the TAJ and the FID. But when it not suit them now, them come now with a different narrative now. Oh, let's investigate his charity. Let's investigate him because he cannot give account for 1.9 million. What is $1.9 million for the Prime Minister spend? What is $1.9 million for the Prime Minister spend? 1.9 million Jamaican dollar is nothing. 1.9 Jamaican, the only person who are talk about pretend like 1.9 US dollar, the Jamaican dollar, some are people who are used to money. What is $1.9 million 1 week? 1 week if you have business or people and if you're on the road every day. 1 week. What is 1.9 million Jamaican dollar on talk about on bringing FID and TAJ to investigate the Prime Minister because he cannot give a code for 1.9? Really? Really, comrade, and a sound no used to money? A sound no money? A sound no used to money and no money? Then how much money you spending on the house? How much money you spend per month between bills and sending a picnic at school and buy food and eat out? How much money you spend? $1.9 million is nothing. You spend the Integrity Commission spent $30 million to investigate 1.9 million Jamaican dollar. That is nothing at all. Nothing. Una used to money, comrade. Una make millionaire and billionaire like Peter Bunting and Dayton Campbell and Mark Golding turning on an idiot and dunce because una so lack of knowledge and because una used to nothing good. Una supposed to be ashamed of yourself. What is $1.9 million? 1.9 million Jamaican dollar can't even buy a proper bedroom set. Una no money. Una frightened. That's why L.A. Lewis could have come on a conference and show $1,000 go no. That's why L.A. Lewis could have come on a conference and show $500 and $50 go no can no use to money. Uno frightened. Uno used to nothing. What is $1.9 million? Uno investigate the Prime Minister and I spread and call up the man name all over the country. Or the man corrupt and the man a thief for $1.9 million Jamaican dollar. Uno used to nothing. That is nothing. That is chicken feed. Because if we show the PNP, uno just disgusting and just nonsense. Didn't Pickle Gill say $20 million chicken feed? Comrade, didn't Comrade Pickles Gill say $20 million chicken feed? So how comes una criticize the Prime Minister for $1.9 million Jamaican dollar? What is that? That a lunch money. That a lunch money. That a lunch money, comrade. If you go down on the North Coast and spend 1 week down a Iberia Star, down a Rewa, down a Sanders, how much money you think you're going to spend? How much money you think you're going to spend? If you not buy a ticket and go to Florida if you go shopping, how much money you think you're going to spend? What is $1.9 million Jamaican dollar? You walk around like you're an idiot and criticize the press. Oh, Andrew is a thief. Oh, Andrew is can't get account for 1.9 fee money. How much money? The Integrity Commission report say $1.9 million Jamaican dollar. Uno despicable. Uno so gullible and easy to trick up. So Mark Golden and Nathan Campbell and Peter Bunting can't tell you anything. Anything. The TikTok of them. The TikTok of them up on TikTok, comrade. Comrade bottom feeder. Ask the TikToker how much money they make on TikTok a week time. Ask the TikToker them how much money. Ask White Perry and Tanania and Macri and the people and Ivani how much money they make. Ask Rose how much money she make a week on TikTok. You can't know someone not used to. The only persons we walk around and complain about $1.9 million is the person them who don't have a stone for rub together. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Some big, great one, broad back woman, missy, I talk about 1.9. Some young one that want to do it for the days. If you know I'm not 40s, I want to reach 35, I want to have $1.9 million on account. You should be ashamed of yourself, comrade. I want to labor right too. We have followed them up with foolish topic. That is nothing. That is nothing. Oh my God. The Integrity Commission is at this very moment committing election interference. They are politically motivated. Comrade Stevenson, the same man when I want to sign off on the Prime Minister's statutory declaration, is deliberately trying to put in the PNP in a power. For what? Why is the purpose of Mark Gold? I'm telling you something, comrades. Let me show you that Mark Gold no business with PNP people. Me tell you, I'm going to show you already, you know. Tap up the screen, guys, and get me to 100K. Remember me, I come off at 12 o'clock. Remember me, I come off at 12 o'clock. Mark Gold no business with PNP people. Mark Gold no business with PNP people. In Avenue, I walk around and make a fool out and say, Missy come with Arlene Perrier. I've fixed no business already. I asked him to say, if I $7,000 US, I say the Prime Minister thief, you don't know no money. You know who and PNP come with Arlene Perrier. I tell you so. You know who and PNP comrade sister. I tell you say, you don't need to be quiet because $7,000 US is nothing. You stop embarrassing yourself, man. You stop embarrassing yourself. The Integrity Commission paid $30 million to an overseas firm to investigate the Prime Minister's affairs because the Prime Minister not tell him only spend 1.9 million. If the Prime Minister go on the road for 1 day, if the Prime Minister tour in constituency for 1 day, the Prime Minister spend more than $300,000. Me sure as a book. If the Prime Minister go in a constituency for 1 day, the Prime Minister spend more than $300,000. If the Prime Minister tour the country for 1 week, the Prime Minister spend more than $1.9 million. What not talk about? What not talk about, comrades? What is $1.9 million US Jamaican dollar, sorry, for the Prime? That's a chicken feed for the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister were in a government, in a politics for 30 years. The man have business, pan top of business, pan top of business. What is that? And the Prime Minister me couldn't no money creamy. And the Prime Minister me couldn't no money no creamy. And the Prime Minister make you can't find no money because the Prime Minister put things in place so you can't go look for work. The Prime Minister put policies in place so you can go on a heart, you can take a student loan and go on a college, you can go on a work and travel program of foreign, you can go on a student visa at Canada. If you're not a teacher, you can't go on overseas, nobody not stop you. The Prime Minister put policies in place, you go and go work for your own. Go and go work for no own creamy. Go and go work for no own and stop talk rubbish and stop bad mind the prime the hard working man who work for over 30 years. Cause you don't know how much money Mark Golding have. You don't know how much money Peter Bunting have. You don't know how much money Dayton Campbell have because Mark Jefferson Golding hide fee money over BVI. You just bad mind. And because the man black, enough he have nothing, him fear beg. Oh dear Andrew Holness have money as a black man. Only Mark Golding alone must have money. Tap up the screen, guys, and get me to 100K. Welcome, comrade. Tap up the screen. Only Mark Golding alone must have money because he's a white man. Oh dear Andrew Holness have money because him black. And he come from a poor family with a poor mother and a poor father. You don't know how much money Mark Golding have because Mark Golding money in a trust. Mark Golding money either way in a trust, man say. Comrade man say. Mark Jefferson Golding hide his asset in a foreign trust. You don't know how much bank account him have. You don't know how much assets him have. And according to Zara Burton, not even the house where living in a name, so I don't even want to pay property tax. What you guys talking about? What not talk about? Let me tell you something, comrades. This one I come with, it a go pass. This one I come with creamy. It a go pass, it nah stick. When the Jamaican people properly ventilate this IC garbage report, them a go finally see say this is a witch hunt by the IC to bring down Andrew Holness. Because if one thing for certain and two things for sure, this administration is working for the people of Jamaica. One thing for certain, two things for sure, this government is working. And we don't have nothing for campaign and more than IC. Nothing else. When you ask Mark, what do you going to do about crime? Nothing. When you ask Mark, what do you going to do about education? Nothing. When you ask Mark, what different am I do? One comrade come on my platform last time and I asked him, say, what is Mark going to do as it relates to inflation? Nothing. So this political witch hunt will be over soon. Soon and very soon. What else you going to come with? What else you going to come with, comrades? You soon have to put policies on the table. Una sue have you put policies on the table, comrade. Very soon. When because first of all, comrades, the IC already sent the report to the TAJ and the FID. They never need the parliament for that. That was just at here because they want to go to talking points. So when the FID and the TAJ come back next month and say they not find out, what I go say? What I go say, comrade? When the FID and the TAJ come back and say they not find out Mansa, what I go say? Eh? What are you guys gonna say? Eh? Because we don't have nothing for half of the people of Jamaica. Nothing. Your comrade Kenya asked me if we have road and water. Kenya forgot say because Gil said Jamaica gonna be pothole free by 2003. 2003 not come yet. Eh? You forgot say Mr. Pickers Gill said Jamaica will be pothole free by 2003. You forgot? Oh, you don't remember? All right. Let me remind you there. Let me remind you. Because we don't have short-term memory. We don't have short-term memory. We don't party to no standard. But when the Jamaica Labour Party in a power, we want everything. You forgot the PJ say we not go pothole free. Eh? You forgot say the People's National Party and the Percival and Portia buy chuck for chuck water go and the chuck them can't climb hill. We are talking about water about. We are talking about road and water about. PNP give you any road and water? Eh? Comrade, did PNP give you any road for the 18 years and a half on the PJ, Percival, Noel, James Patterson? They didn't give you guys any road and water. Where's the road and water when go now? We're not supposed to ask for the road and water now. We're not supposed to have everything we don't desire. What you guys asking about? What not ask about? When the FID and the TAJ come back next month and say they don't have nothing, they don't find nothing, what I gonna say? In comrades, what are you guys gonna say? I am why next talking points where Dayton and Peter Bunting are going to say? Because we don't have a brain of our own, you know. We don't have to wait for our talking points. That's why Mark Golding keep a fake parliament today, so you can't go no more talking points. Because if I want to think for our own, if I want to take the report and read it on yourself, God would have come. Because anytime I ask to come read them anything, me here say, nothing more. How me hear pan the news say, or me hear pan the TV say, not read the report. Because me you say 29, the Prime Minister have 28 bank account, and I know so that is a lie. He's linked to 28 account, and enough of them are inactive. Enough of them have no money in them. Enough of them is just business account. We don't know that. But that is the talking points we don't get from the PNP. That is the talking points we don't get from the PNP. We don't know the man that's using 28 bank account right now, but we don't have nothing else to say. We don't have nothing else to say, you know, because of that data and Mark tell you no to say. No, comrades. Me know say anytime one article coming at the paper, or anybody do any article about Mark Golding, or ignore it. So it is for me to bring it to no attention because sometimes I feel like I could not see it. So I have an article here for you guys. Listen properly. Tell me if you not hear me. If you not hear me, make me know. Alright, here we go. Constituents urge Golding to intervene to quell deadly turf war. You hear that? So, you know the constituents mean the people them know a Mark Golding constituency, right? Me sure you how Mark Golding not hearing you much. That me I say, you not hear me? You not hear me now? Alright, Alan, let me know them not hear me, yes? Because why if you not hear me? Why if you not hear me, I talk so loud and I know so I don't live in a rent house and I don't catch panya top. So I can't make as much noise as no one. You don't know, I don't live panya top and I don't know I don't live in a rent house. So I can't make noise every night. Back to you now. Comrade, me no read that article, so me read it for now. Constituents urge Golding to intervene to quell deadly turf war. Me sure no Mark Golding no care about no PNP people. Right? Residents of Craigtown in St. Andrew Southern are calling on Member of Parliament MP Mark Golding to immediately step in and quell deadly gang violence which has resulted in the death of 3 seniors within the last 2 months. Now, question for no comrade. Just a quick question. Me curious. Mark no work with JCF. Mark are the Commissioner of Police. Mark are the Prime Minister. How exactly the constituents are relying or they expect Mark to step in? Any bride comrade can type in the chat and tell me? Me have a theory, but me want to hear for no opinion because I don't want to judge him. I'm curious to know how the residents expect Mark. What do they want from Mark, the MP? Because remember, I work with government, I remember I'm under the commissioner, I'm under the prime minister. I remember PNP no want no zozo. So how they say, how they want Mark British fail them, guys? Any comrade can tell me? Me know a matter, but me I want if one of them can come tell me. Anyone on the comrade can tell me what the residents want from Marky British because he's a police, he's a commissioner, and he's a prime minister. So what exactly they want him to condo? The most recent murder occurred on and guys, for sure Mark Golding not care about the PNP people in the constituency. Normally when any murder go on anywhere else in the country, you see Mark gonna talk about how Prime Minister, where is the crime plan? Jamaican people is dying, blood is on our street. So what about these people in your constituency? Mark Golding not care about them? How many hear gunfire about them people in your constituency, sir? Normally when people from other constituency or other crime committing at any constituency, Mark Golding the first one to run out. And I talk about where is the crime plan? People are dead. Where is Dr. Chang? Blah blah black sheep have you any wool? So how we not hear from Mark Golding about this murder, these 3 murders in his constituency? How we not hear from him? So so Mark Golding not care about them death in a constituency, comrades. Him pick and choose which crime he want to talk about. Oh, okay, comrade. We just want level with you, Just one level with you, Him pick and choose which crime he want to ball out about. Betsy me know say me tell you, Betsy me every night me talk about Mark Golding constituency, every night me talk about the residents of Craigtown and the residents of Jungle still a be out of the run and living in the poor condition under Mark Golding. Me know, cause PNP people not value themselves, Once them party in a power, they not really business how they live. We know this. So but me curious, guys. Mark Golding and Peter Bunting is the first one to jump out when there is any crime anywhere else in the country. How many hear from them? How many hear from Mark Golding and Peter Bunting read the crime in Craigtown? Wow! So let's go back to the article in the Comrade Gleaner. Residents of Craigtown in St. Andrew Southern are calling on Member of Parliament Mark Golding to immediately step in and quell the deadly gang violence which has resulted in the death of 3 seniors within the last 2 months. The most recent murder occurred on Sunday night and has many fearing no old bars warfare in response to the killing of the latest victim. You hear that? You hear we are going on a Mark Golding led PNP constituency? Comrade, here we are going on a Mark Golding led PNP constituency, and this is the man we say him is the man we care about crime and violence. And what is Mark Golding doing about the PNP people? We are killing off them one and they down at Craigtown. What is Mark Jefferson Golding doing? What is Mark Jefferson going? Because remember, PNP no want a Zozo in the constituency, you know. Remember, PNP no want a Zozo. They don't want a curfew. They want the people in my call for Mark Golding. The people in their constituency are called for Mark Golding and are called for the police. Then I call upon the DPP, the commissioner, and then I call upon the prime minister, then I call upon the MP. What Mark Golding go do? I'm very curious to know. I am very curious to know because they don't need no help from the police. They don't need no help from the commissioner matter. They need help from MP. Wow. Wow, wanna see that? Wanna see that, guys? That is what happened when PNP in a power. No law and order. Mayhem and crime. Mayhem and crime and confusion and destruction. Anytime PNP in a power, them something are going. Can you hear the people them? They not call upon police. They don't want a police in there. They want Mark Golding in there. That's what they say. And I miss it, so the article says so. Tap up the screen. The deceased 61 year, you know, PNP people, they don't have mercy upon who them a kill. You hear this now? The deceased 61-year-old Vincent Lyons is a long time oh Jesus. Here and now, comrades. Comrades, wanna tap up the screen and call the rest of comrades. Wanna hear and now? You hear what them a call Mark? Wanna listen why them a call Mark Golding now? Comrades, listen why the constituents a call Mark Golding. Wanna listen to this now? Come here, comrade. Tap up the screen and come. The deceased 61-year-old Vincent Lyons is a long-time strongman and is said to be the father and grandfather to a father and son duo who now have one section of the community under leadership within the 110 gang. Hey! Wanna see why them a call Marky British? Wanna see why the constituents are called Marky British? Wanna see why the constituents are called Marky British? Because according to the Gleaner, the deceased is a 61-year-old long-time strong man, aka Dan. So them are called Marky British for come. Hey. Guys, every night me come here and me tell you no. The People's National Party is the party where promote violence, promote gangsterism, promote cronyism, and promote crime. That is the People's National Party. The evidence is there. The evidence is there that the People's National Party always promote crime and violence. Always promote gunmanship. Always promote criminality. That is the People's National Party. So they don't want the JDF. They don't want the JCF. They don't want to hear from the commissioner. They want Marky British. Mighty God. Can you imagine what would have come of Jamaica if the People's National Party ever formed government? Eh? Can you imagine what would become of our beautiful country if Mark Jefferson Golding and him bagad done them down a Craigtown farm government? Eh? Reports from the West Kingston police are that sometime after 8 p.m., men seemingly aligned to the warring faction entered Top Craigtown and shot and killed the elder Lyons. Hear that? Mark Golding, you know Mr. Lyons? Marky British, I needed to keep a press conference and tell the people of Jamaica if you know Mr. Lyons. Eh? We are calling on Mark Golding to keep a press conference tomorrow and tell the people of Jamaica if you know the strong man from Craigtown, Mr. Lyons. He Marky British, you know him? You know Mr. Lyons Marky British because the people in my send call you. The people in my send call you Marky British. So I needed to keep a press conference tomorrow and tell the people of Jamaica if you know Mr. Lyons, the strong man. Mighty God. Craigtown has been broken for a while, but now it's worse. Them drop curfew as it lift a murder. A three elder get murdered down now from July till now. Them don't even bury it. And now another. The man them just a kill. When you take away seniors, the community will have no guidance for you. We need the MP to step in. No, a resident say. Hey! Only under the People's National Party do your constituents call for MP when you have crime and violence in the constituency. Only under the People's National Party, and this only happen in the PNP constituencies. Anytime you have any crime in any JLP constituency, they call upon the police. You don't notice? Tell me if I lie, me I tell. Anytime you have any flare up in any JLP constituency, the people them call for the police. Anytime you have any flare up of crime and violence in a PNP constituency, the people them call for the MP. Why do you think the people them always call for the PNP MP? Why do you think that always happen? Tell me if I lie, me I tell comrades. Tell me if I lie, me I tell comrades. Anytime you have any crime and any killing and any war infraction in any PNP constituency, the people of the constituency always call for the MP. They not call for the police. They not call for the Prime Minister. They not call for the Commissioner. They might call for them PNP MP. Why? Why the People's National Party always align themselves with criminality? Why? Anybody know? Let me reread this again, guys. We don't call the comrade, we don't call Marky British to me. Craigtown has been broken for a while, but now it's worse. Then drop curfew. As it lift, it affiliate, you know, guys. The curfew affiliate because the PNP not giving the police permission to continue with the state of emergency and the curfew and nothing. So once the curfew up, the police them have to take for themselves out of the PNP territory. So no matter ask about why the curfew lift, PNP no want it. So Craigtown has been broken for a while, but now it's worse. Them drop curfew as it lift a murder. A 3 elder get murdered now from July till now. Them don't even bury it. And no another. The man them just a kill. When you take away the seniors, the community will have no guidance for the youth. We need the MP to step in. No. So Mark Goldin, the time you take a keep fake parliament, you have go on a Craigtown go talk to the people them. You know, say Mark Goldin not care about PNP people? You know, say Mark Goldin don't care about PNP people. The timing take a keep fake parliament. In a go on a Craigtown because the people say they need him. No. Tap up the screen, comrades, are almost time for me to go home. Oh, the band send me a request tonight. I don't send me no see. I don't know, guys. I've been talking all night. I don't see the request. So the resend me, them love. My bad, guys. Resend me the request. Yeah. The time Mark Goldin take, I keep fake parliament. In that go focus on Craigtown because the people in Craigtown eat up the one another flesh like cannibal. And them a call upon him to step in. No. Mark Goldin, the people of Craigtown is calling on you to step in. No. Thank God for your fake news. Me not wrong you, Tango. Me not wrong you. Would I say so too? Would I say fake news too? According to the police, Lyons, also known as Makala, operated a bar along Madden Street. He was reportedly standing on the roadway when he was pounced upon by men on foot who opened fire, hitting him all over his body. How we not hear Mark Golden talk about this? Ileba, right? How we not hear Mark Golden talk about this amount of crime and violence in the constituency? How we not hear Mark Golden talk about this level of crime and violence in the constituency, guys? If any other constituency that run out and I call Dr. Chang, or you not call Dr. Chang now, Mark Golden?
What I do it so much bank book? What I do it so much bank book? What I do it so much bank book and I transfer you see and bold money up and down? What make you so thief and that make crime and violence and mash up Jamaica? The government a thief everything for himself and a creep everything for himself and the young people and can't get one day work and can't get help. What make you so thief and wicked, man? What make you hold this so gluttonous and thief and hold this can't rest now, man? What make you hold this thief and wicked, man? One man have 28 bank book and a transfer money up and down like
guys want you to comrade. Look, Panis are coming on the platform. He can't put two sentence together.
I went to ask where they come from, man.
I know Andrew was speaking on a bank account. You know,
what make you hold this thief, man?
You look like your big hole from the 1960s. I know Andrew Wallace make sufferation and bite you in a bass.
Andrew Wallace teeth, you man.
Suffer.
28 bamboo. And me run upliftment blocks and construction.
If you never
upliftment blocks and construction. Andrew Wallace.
If you never name Pambula bass, you know if you come on my platform attack garbage. I know Andrew Wallace make your dance. Go blame your mama. Go behave your ugly mama boss. I know Andrew Wallace make you no money in no account. I know Andrew Wallace make you so dunce. I know Andrew Wallace make you suffer. And any young people nowadays work must you workless pity them. And your workless niece and nephew. Any young people in Jamaica now work no must a dirty comrade. And must your workless pity them, your workless woman where you're there with. And your son. You workless boss. Bottom feeder boss.
Amen.
You don't know you have to come up here. You don't know you have to come up here workless, boss. But how not do with so much bank account? Who make you not a bank account, boss? You look like you're 70. You look like you're 70. You look poor and pauperized. You look like you live in a old broke down house. And who make you not a bank account? You a big old 60, 70-year-old man. And I come on platform and talk about Andrew. You should have shame yourself because you're older than Andrew. Make you not a bank account. Make you not a bank account. Big old great one broadback man. All crosses. You never come up here. You never hear about me.
Cross is that, man.
You never hear about me. I will make you not an account, boss. Come down after this and go look at life.
I'm not going to make you no account.
70-year-old, you have a bank account in your name.
Tell him if you go ask Mark Golden.
Broadback man. You know, when you come on my platform, King Green, you never tell him.
Why you never make him stay till me come? Why you never make him stay till me come?
Lord Jesus Christ, metal come.
You never come up here, so.
I like how you are addressing yourself.
I love
how you deal with him.
Beg.
But you see how when they get up and enter this crap
about you have some bank account. I will make you none. Who make you tango none? You want tango look like you don't name Pambula when you mama say no go food. You go climb mango tree. You want tango look like you no go climb star apple tree when you mama say no go school. You become a bad man and you for where you have. Joe. Guys, you know you ever go on a Craig Town or a Mark Golden constituency?
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
But MunchieB
if you ever go on a Mark Golden constituency, How
Marky G
Mark will not keep
secure.
the press conference and talk about what going on in constituency?
He only tell me one thing, you know, it's collusion with the dons. And that's why they call him, but the don them keep the garrison community quiet.
When he say my
No,
junglist,
answer me. No, the don them keep the constituency quiet.
when did say though, my junglist, remember
But
when
there
he
is a
say,
difference. There is a difference. There is a difference. If no flare up go on in the Labour right constituency, I police we call, but when for them constituency have problem, I done then call.
You know what I say, man?
No, but when Marky G did say before, say my junglist, right? Now
Yes.
He did say.
Yeah.
History repeat itself, man. My God, Labour right, Labour right, and then savior. Labour right and uno savior and the world see it and know. Me see one poll show say wow, PNP more corrupted is the corruptest party in a Jamaica. And when I see it,
They want no poll for tell me that to the brother, trust me.
I say yes.
Yeah.
Hey,
I want something more to know if you talk about, you know. More MunchieB if you talk about the woman that will breaking foot off of the bus. Ask Mark Gold, you know, we don't give back the woman in foot yet. And me something to say to you know. Why when time the people them I take the bus, I go a conference, why they all and stay so? Why they stay so? You know, to say I be a murderer, PNP having a them crew. Why they stay so?
Mato. I did the 15-year-old boy get unalive off of them bus. The person who lose them foot was on the Labour bus and then got deal with her. But look here. In a 2018, and I remember in a 2018, wasn't he the member of Parliament round here that time? Nice
Yes.
confirm this.
Yes. I think there was a by-election and I didn't get it.
I don't remember the little girl, 14-year-old, Yetania Francis, and then call her Princess. And the evening she left out of the yard to go buy something and never come back. And then grape her off, put cotton in her, and set her afire. Right in the Arnett Gardens. Nobody can just walk go in Arnett Gardens go do. And I see all the boy jam views a come boy him run Arnett Gardens.
My God.
Come ready on not up the screen.
No, sir.
Come in on enough over here so.
MunchieB. I said to this morning,
Guys.
Eh?
Uno hear the part in the article.
Oh, one.
Oh my God. PNP become a public disgrace.
MunchieB freeze up, man.
PNP has become a public disgrace, man. Jesus Christ. Whoa. If what a parliament would have turned down upon him. Because them believe that Jamaica for them. And that them believe, you know. Them believe that Jamaica for them. Jamaica is for we the people. And it's the only man like Andrew Holness Augustine power because in performance speak. And performance I keep him there. Remember me tell you that. PNP are the worst thing we ever come across in Jamaica because then track record that show.
Yeah, somebody asking in a comment say, I will mark him once and mark up here reparation money back to Jamaica. Yes, it was somebody, you know, them love that.
Idiot, them we run behind him.
I have slave.
Idiot, them we run behind him. They must know say the Queen sending daddy down here if he come hold black people as hostage. Remember that. If you know that, then I run back a mark. What kind of idea PNP government have in Jamaica? None.
Me say this morning, me don't know if we don't spend any time this morning, I get to catch the oversight committee, the integrity committee. Me say I was so. Me learn, you know the big thing me learn. You know the big thing that I learned today? The integrity committee is considered a public servant, right? That's a public service.
Yes.
And nobody is above the law. So guess what? There's some on them backside, they might come to the 3rd of October, Come answer some questions in the parliament, but no ask them, I don't go grill them, I bet after the 3rd of October, you're sitting in Jamaica, yeah. It is obvious.
You know, see what RJR do? You know, see RJR tried to sack some of the workers, then RJR.
True? Why?
No ramp with Prime Minister. You hear, don't do the Prime Minister nothing. Mine will not talk about the Prime Minister, I say, because the Prime Minister rated in every nooks and corner because people know that the Prime Minister I work and him a touch people life. Remember that?
Me say, you wait till after the 3rd of October. The 3rd of October, go after that. Me I want to make sure me set it all know for I know if you alarm on my phone. That me no missy.
Yes, man.
I think to don't listen to them. Because if I want to use the same way, if I want to use the best data.
PNP use them brain. PNP use them brain and I try send labor right to the galas. But let me tell you something. I them wanna go swing up panny. I them wanna go swing up panny because labor right don't think like them. Labor right do not operate like them. If labor right did think like them and operate like them, we would get growth out of the country.
True, man.
Remember me tell you that the best thing ever touched Jamaica is the Labour Right Party if you can transform people life. Look at the amount of board house where PNP give it without bathroom. Look what Labour Right come give it. Concrete house with closet and bathroom. Change the dynamics of everything.
Also, Andrew give it. A couple of them well enough.
Andrew tired for cut ribbon. A new scissors then gone for. A new scissors then gone for right now for cut ribbon. New scissors. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. In country band so tell the scissors can't go up and come down again. And he no job for him. His scissors no job. His scissors no job for Andrew. He no job. And yet he done. Yet he done.
Because that man is squeaky clean and they gonna deal. He's squeaky clean and me tell you something you see. It's basically by the time he's done with them, they are going to shut them out or pay some money. You know, see the amount of garbage truck. You know, see the amount of garbage truck. We are past on the highway now. You know, see the amount of garbage truck we come down. You see them, man.
I first may if I see this from the day me ban until now, brother. Trust me.
Oh, man.
Trust me. Then come down like when you see wild goat across road. You know? No, sir. My Jesus.
MunchieB. Up to our phone.
Oh Lord. Jesus, peace. History repeats itself. Look what they have on stage. Look what they have on stage. Dirty L.A. Lewis and Vibes Cartel. Them are any role model for these nice young boy and young girl who will turn out to high school and move on to get their life straight up and to become entrepreneur in Jamaica. What kind of president PNP government asset? What kind of president them asset?
Again, you understand? So me can't have one thing I repeat.
You look like you'd be a good activist in the community, man. You need to get the MP number.
No,
skill man, you skill man.
Me see the weakness of you. That's why I can tell you. Yeah.
So you never about any MP come out in a year and none at all. That you need to catch you in time. Sometimes them busy, you know. So
one time in a year, I'm there outside I do work. I'm here, so them a pass through. Sometimes I rush to reach him.
But look here, Saint Catherine Southern. That's where you live?
Yeah, man.
That's Fitz Jackson.
So at that me I try to show you.
So MunchieB, what you have to do now? You have to go link him with Fitz Jackson then.
But me not have a link to Fitz Jackson because Fitz Jackson a PNP and me not have no PNP link.
I try to show you the place can be better, you know, friend. It can be better.
No, the JLP. That's why I Google it because if it was Big Robert Terry Long, me could have helped him, but I don't know about this lazy one.
That I wish
I wish MP look fit after skill, man.
I Fitz Jackson, I see him MP.
Fitz Jackson have a lot of work in constituency to do.
It said Fitz Jackson, member of Parliament for St. Catherine Southern.
Oh, me I try to
You have South Central and you have Southern.
what the man do them.
Southern.
That a wush pa, Linstead side.
Portmore live.
No. Left Lindsay no time.
Narrow towards Shar Green Heart.
Lindsay the Northwest.
Okay.
I say, them a make it the man them with the negative thought I take over youth them and I counsel them.
A lazy politician them the man. Fix Justin them a lazy
More side, more
politician.
side there.
On the right things.
But skill man.
Yeah.
Skill man, you know you are a wicked man because me swear you see the Labour right MP you want to see, you know.
Yeah, man. You know, say I
You see that they want there.
No, you are a wicked man. Me swear you see the Labour right MP you want to talk to, you know.
So now, I'm on a poor man want to talk to you, brother. The man we
understand you.
You
A
know
wicked
fi over
man
here
to
for them. You fi over next side where I talk about that man.
A true
wicked
man.
man.
we not no side, man. We not no side.
Oh, yeah, the boy they are PNP for showing up.
Good things you have
But
for you.
you're supposed to give the other side a chance.
Yeah, PNP you.
Alright,
Yeah,
so
PNP.
how we are going to come on a JLP platform? What if you say a PNP?
I'm planking there one night in with them more than an hour.
We don't want a segregation and a PNP and a jail.
Them I tell him to take him down.
But we are showing him up. We are showing him up.
This lady, Munchie can't get up because
Skill man.
me don't know who that need, I know. So
Skill
that's why
man,
me I
this is
say
how you
Munchie
have to
get up
accept.
to talk to him.
Skill man, this is how you have to accept it. As how you plan it in your brain and you study thing around. If Goliath come down the stream, you can shoot back up your water up. So
No,
you have to
yeah.
understand. You have to understand. You have to understand. Say Labour right did have a ball and Jappy ball because they never know the important side to
Skill man
carry.
vote PNP.
Labour right
Look
are
here,
carry the
everybody
ball
mute
now
to the
and
mic.
spread it
Mute to the
around.
mic,
So you
please.
have to do the same thing.
Mute to the mic, little matter. We have
Okay.
a special guest coming up. Mute to the mic.
Okay,
Good morning,
baby.
my auntie. How are you? You not hear her? Me not hear her. So she sent me a request. She don't know TikTok. Where auntie, good morning.
Ah! Oh my God. Hi.
You never realized you sent me a request.
I did not know. You know what?
I know.
I'm chatting, trying to get this little one to school, and I think my finger pressed something.
I know. That's why
Hello,
I tell everybody mute
everybody.
their mic.
Hello.
I know it was a mistake. That's why I tell everybody mute their mic. I mean, know it's a mistake.
Yes. Nice to hear your voice, though.
All right, later.
Yeah, all right, bye.
Okay. But no says a mistake, you know, because them here people don't know about TikTok. Skill man, me I try to bring you over to the party, but you're not going good.
But this is how me I say. Skill man I say him want to talk to the MP, right? So if him get to the MP there, the MP there I go big up.
Exactly.
man, and I say go man. And that's what I have no problem now. MP and big up on this and that. Oh, want the youth them like community. Oh,
No,
make
but
sure.
you should have look for Labour right MP for help you. A PNP
Yes.
MP I look for over here, so I wrong spot you there.
A wrong spot in there because the money now, the money there right over here. So now, where you have to do what you have to do, and you look for PNP, MP. You're crazy, man.
Listen, I really look for no special MP because as me tell you, I don't follow politics, brother.
Maybe we can still get in support, man.
Any MP or any party in a power, me have to work hard and so me achieve what me have. You understand?
Skill man, where you live now? Your girlfriend there with you now?
My wife me live with, I work me there right now.
1 o'clock?
Yeah, me do a public sector me work with. That's me I tell you, say me work with the government.
5 minutes to 2 when you still there work. You know what skill man things are going to man?
10 to 6 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. That's how
And you go on some against the Labour right party, and you go on some boy that's Labour right can't have you give me a time.
And a Labour right give me work, so don't say that. I'm from PNP time.
Labour right you that work, the man. Come as you couldn't be the life done until tomorrow.
Nobody got the politics tonight, yeah? When me have I want to involve politics. Capital say me is supportive to the person who are
Man, a
working.
labor right, get a work that we have, you know.
No. Stop say that.
A labor right, get a work. You say you're ungrateful?
I didn't get it through labor right. Me I working at this company before labor right. In a poor.
Me not think so.
Application me send in. And the people like my application, I'm going and do an interview. And me get through the work. So it's not no labor.
You get a work under labor skill, man. So you're going.
The case there, they don't know that.
If you figure one look of vote, you not give it.
You can never.
But when PNP win the election, then they fire you. You're the first that must get fired.
Me have my skill, me go do for my own, because I do my own work.
Because you get a work under Labour Party, you don't want vote for you. You people like you, the skill man, are wicked in a man.
You know more, you know where I'm going now? Farming.
Oh, tap you.
No, Mr.
Good morning.
Link up with the water.
Man, obtain and go plant some weed, man.
Chromas, you couldn't go on your
Get a
bed
planter's
until
license, man,
tomorrow.
and get a greenhouse, man.
Morning, Munch, morning,
Like you
everybody.
wake up, you go pee and see life a go on. What do you know?
Morning.
You know where I go, man. I know how we wake up. That's where I
Of
go.
course, me know.
Yeah, every day, man. But still, man, I PNP still. I'm not
Of
food.
course.
Yeah.
You get a job in the labor right, Chromas.
Short time, they all listen, man, talk. Man, talk. I'm a big PNP.
PNP, man.
Yeah.
It's a lovely party.
You know one of the PNP
For them,
when for them party,
yeah,
you know, them a PNP.
yeah, people that talk about the politicians do nothing for them area. PNP talk that. PNP has a looks for them, I look and that looks politicians for them things. We live independent. We not deal with them something. We not deal with the handout and I look for politicians for things.
That is so true. When having a Chrome as a labor, I think get the work there since labor in the government, you know. And if I vote
if I government really I work in the market, I'm supposed to get good pay too.
Yeah.
Alright, I know everything really in the government start them out of them alright right now. So
How much is minimum wage in Jamaica now?
15,000 a week.
15,000 a week. And we still are going to get more. We still are going to
get no, people understand the minimum wage though. Minimum wage means the employer not supposed to pay you less than that.
I know that. I know
Just
that.
a marker, but majority of the employer them pay more than that Jamaica.
minimum wage work of a Pitney. Any big great one.
Yeah, but I don't have a Munchie. Yeah, you have to pay, but there's a marker still. By law, you're not supposed to get less than that.
Agree, but Chromas, nothing strong body 50 a day, well, 40 a day, you're supposed to work on that minimum wage.
Hold on the skill, man. What are your Munchie? Because you're not talking about your chance.
What you say, skill man?
That's a minimum wage of a person who have no skill.
Exactly. I would just left school and I look a little work.
Yes.
No, we must supposed to
majority of the business companies and them, so they don't pay minimum wage, really. Everybody pay above that. You see me? I'm going to look at any of them who want to pay people them something like look wholesale there with the China them around. Some of them who want to get that.
Some of them too. Some of them.
Not even KFC and burgers not pay minimum wage.
Most of the person they don't want to get qualified and they don't want to improve on them skills and stuff like that.
That's why, still man, you know, you don't listen. That's why a man come back in with art. He might pay your figure art, so they have to get skill now.
Art never stop. Art never stop because we got art.
What's up, brother?
Well, you know, no difference now. And time PNP now poor. When put people have to pay for art and change it up and put
right. That hit me. That's why me I say the man have pay. The man say I get 500,000.
Hold on, brother. You can't talk about one another, you know. You may I say. As since Andrew come back 2016, everything is free up, man. Because PNP, you know, it's a PNP, anything labor implement and put out.
And people like Skillman got out and the Andrew
PNP always want to destroy it and try to put something on it.
People like Skillman got out and the Andrew is because
ever since any policy, anything labor about that already had good already, and then PNP coming up with it. You have to spoil it up.
Skillman.
General, just wait. Now say something here. You see PNP government? They like a thing when you shortcut. You see, Labour government, You have to have the right documents, them, and you have to deal with the thing, right?
Oh, yeah, well, I'm telling you, put it, my brother. The difference between them, right, and PNP, I can't tell you, I'm a big man, I know a long time with them about. You see me? PNP is a party, when anywhere the wind blow, and it's a corruption party. That is it. The links is the links that we talk about, everybody talk about the links, that is corruption.
Yeah.
You see me? PNP,
Tell about
let me just start a little bit there. You see me? We just wake up and do a long time at that, so let me just say a little thing. You see me? Why PNP is a populist party, you see me? Anyway, the wind blow, that's them there. You see me? That's why I feel so criminal for the PNP. Anybody like law and order, love PNP. The taxi man them, want to do the bag of rubbish, have them bag of ticket, and want to run people off a road and make the two-way traffic, them put it in that tree, and do again and love PNP. You see me? People love drive per road, throw a vehicle, jump shot of the vehicle, out the road, you can KFC box and Burger King box, PNP. They want anything, they want to run Jamaica like an arms out place. And so they go foreign, listen up. When they go to America, Canada, England, they have to rules and regulations. It's nothing to beat them. They have to rules and regulations. But go Jamaica alone, they want. Hold on, skill man, hold on.
True, too.
Hold on, skill man. We talk about what we could confuse it enough. Yes, we don't talk about we just learn as what it's PNP is like that for ever since. It's Michael Manley, you're not busy when nobody wants. Michael Manley, the worst thing ever to Jamaica, it should never exist.
True.
That's why PNP to Jamaica is like this. Even so labor it having that them. This is the free mentality and the rare now with DNA. And I'm going to take a couple more generations before we get out of our system. I tell you that they come like PNP are cancer.
That's true, man.
Yeah,
yes,
right,
I really think we are get rid of it, Chromas, but Mark will bring it right back.
Yes.
All right.
Here we again.
On the poster and little after 2016, me think it are done with, but Mark bring back the same lift on your top, beggy, depend on the state, expect the state to mind your 30 pitney, not go on and out. Mark bring it right back.
As well, General say, me have a cousin, You see when Andrew Holness, the ID thing come in at Jamaica, him lick out pan it, and him go on him most way, Him no want him fingerprint, and him no want him this, and him no want him that. In a ID. And which part him live now? He live America. And me know he have a social security.
Oh yeah, but even listen to this now. Even Plank, gotta bring up that now, brother. Listen to this now. The same people over there at Jamaica, I look out for the needs, I don't want the needs. When them go for embassy, they give everything to right, and they sold them themselves.
Well, I know. You know, sir, me live America, and me have me good ID if you come to Jamaica, come vote, Because when I come to Jamaica, me deal with me have everything for Jamaica same way.
Yeah, but me I tell you, so the way Jamaica were there, I look up at the needs, we live at Jamaica right now. Do they go to embassy, they give all them soul. Anything they ask for.
When they go to Canada, Chromas,
and they farm line to and they burn up in that sun and they complain,
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yes, I go to Jamaica, I can go one bank out and farm a little like that, I want to go place. Tumble, and then go on and they want to skip, and they look for them friends.
You for one do business and you have a good identification. You know one good identification. When a police pull me up, a police pull me up the other day, and when he pull me up and me give me driver's license, you know when he come ask me for next, my license to carry. Me say me not have that with me boss.
And the next thing we need again our boss with Jamaica, the criminal labor, everybody in that criminality. Now what the needs get go cut all but okay, I find them easy.
Once a police pull you up at Jamaica, you give them your license or whatever. Everything's supposed to come up about you.
Yes, that's another one the needs. Those are the criminal at Jamaica. Was the criminal at Jamaica will support PNP, they don't want that.
CMPT.
Yes,
criminal them at Jamaica will support PNP, they don't want that.
Yes. Where's MunchieB?
Come up with needs in a 2014,
Yes.
But when they lose the election, they pretend
they bring it up.
PNP are the wickedest thing ever.
PNP forever since MunchieB. PNP forever since
MunchieB. And them are the first one come up with needs and them start write the legislation and
everything.
What
I say? PNP a style, man.
Part of the worst start.
PNP now push to nothing, man. PNP going to try to do that. I'm saying, anyway, they blow. PNP a style, man.
PNP was the one who come up with NIDS.
Style of them, man. Them going to go out like, man. Don't think
about them more power and say, oh, this and that. Then say, if we fix this, we fix it. And as soon as we fix it, then Kerry go to court and win. And as soon as we fix something, is a PNP. When I go see if God forbid in my lifetime and PNP farm government. Two things me I watch them with, chromas.
Yeah.
Me I watch if PNP should farm government in my lifetime. Me I watch if them I go come back with NIDS. And me I watch if them I come back with constitution reform. Two things me I watch them with. Me I watch if PNP should farm government chromas. Me I watch if them I go come back and try to tell you about if do NIDS. Or them I try to tell you say me could do constitution reform. Because so they fight it now.
True.
Just watch and see. Because they now get no support from the Jamaica Labour Party. And under the Constitution, you can't change the Constitution unless both sides agree. And the Jamaica Labour Party will never agree with PNP. So we'll never have a Constitution reform because of PNP.
Well, I know, yeah, sister, that's why
You're easy. Every time I wake up, me see you. Then easy. That means I'm your worst nightmare then. She said, every time I wake up, me see you. That means I'm your worst nightmare then, sister. You dream about me. Yeah, you go see them, I go come back, contrite, and say, oh, let us go, Republic, let us move the king. We now move the king under PNP. Not dear. Is the king gonna remain as long as ever? Same like how the PNP never want to cooperate with JLP to remove the king. Same way God forbid and their farm government, nobody now cooperate with them neither. So like how the JLP, PNP never cooperate with we if it needs, they make sure they can pass their needs without JLP. Because JLP now cooperate no time.
True,
Because
man.
we don't know why the right truck now come with needs, Lily. Ask him, I don't see him, because I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know what the right truck do. But as it relates to the Constitution reform, no Constitution reform now go on. Never. We go forever pledge allegiance to King Charles. And when King Charles dead, we go pledge allegiance to King Williams. And when William dead, we go pledge allegiance to William's son. And when we see him where we now leave the king.
Jamaica to farm their own constitution. Jamaica to farm their own constitution.
Remember say UK I'm a goal in the yard, you know, man. You know, UK, you know. So if I try a brick in the spokes, in the rim, you know.
And that I think we are talking about the party them, you know, they now try to unite. They might point finger upon each other when they unite and bring solution.
You need to come vote. I tell you if you can't do it, you're not from you.
Skill man, which part PNP ever unite with Labour, right? But not at all. I know it's good to the country.
That means I said that we need the unity. And that means
you need to come and vote, skill man.
Yeah, we need it.
Skill man.
Yeah.
Skill man, they get 2 minutes and make me tell you
put on a collar. Just go to the polling station and cast your vote.
Skill man, may I go show you tonight, right now, in front of everybody. Say Labour right want to unite and Labour right have better policy. Remember, say when time Bruce Golden take just win. No money no day in the reserve. It empty. That's Bruce Golden did forget one brand new vehicle and he said he come to me and you, the people of government, the people of Jamaica tell we say, look here, no money, no in the kitty. So me as a Prime Minister should I get a new vehicle and me can't get it. And he say, hold on there. We are going to work together for build back Jamaica. So me as the Prime Minister, me are going to take a 15% cut. Me don't talk to me MP them already. Them are going to get 10% cut. And me have put it to the PNP them. That's them to take for them same 10% cut. What them did say? Talk me, I beg you, skill man, and answer a question for me. They say no. Them say no, skill man, no. Oh my God, a Prime Minister like that. Come go adjust the nation and make a claim like that. That simple mean to say Labour right government willing to build the country and to work with them by any means necessarily. Then say no.
And take less pay.
Well, that is the thing when I talk about the unity and I see where people.
So no talk about it again. Leave PNP bandwagon and turn pan Labour right because you see what happens.
Man, we jump on wagon. As me tell you, a unity me I work with.
You can't get it, because them now unite, so tap on that shit out of your mouth, man.
Skill man, you need to come out and vote. We don't want you to burn a unity and nothing.
We don't want you, nobody take that and fool with. It not happen. They not do it because you a former prime minister done. Did you know against Skillman? Did you know against before Mark Golden win? There's a lot of people was going to the hospital and going to the private doctor, and when they sound them and check them, they want certain medicine, they couldn't get it for buy. You see, when time Bruce Golden win and say free health care and the receipt them start to roll out, the pharmacists them start to say hold on them, and so come CVM and TVJ now start to recognize them, and I say but this a fine a PNP time now, and they start to show back the public. The people them couldn't buy medication because them are dead, and Bruce Golden say free health care.
Well, we can speak about that side cheaper medicine you get because we didn't have an accident and
you know remember that the Prime Minister look out for the citizens of the country at that the base pan that it a go show. So
well, a goodness that them do. That's a great move.
I mean, I tell you, man.
Skill, man, I know you're confused.
And a bias. Them the unity the way I talk about. A great move that.
That I know unity. I know unity. That I know unity will be kind of excited about it. I work, the Prime Minister I work.
That's why I tell you, say them man, they need to support them one another and come up with good ideas and share them.
No, but Skill man, no matter the good idea when they come up with, you not come out come vote.
If them unite, we vote.
Big job there under Labour government.
You're not doing that.
So much money under Labour government, and when you talk about you not vote. No matter where they do, you're not voting.
You understand? And he say he's not vote.
Yes, a skill man.
Any government at all in me make money. Anyone
you know, so you're not talking
we're not talking about money. We're talking about people who not voting. So you have no opinion.
Skill man.
Yeah.
Remember saying you have a government work, you know. So either either, you know. If a Labour right win, you have a job. If a PNP win, you have a job. So what you ask?
That may I show you. That's why I'm just going to work a job and
confused.
No, I'm not confused.
No, you don't have no talking about that because you don't vote. You don't have no talking about that. You don't not vote for your country. You don't have a talk.
I go say something to Skill
man. Make something to Skill man.
Yeah.
Skill man, I see you. I say as long as you chat and style it. You say as long as you don't vote. You know, but only way you vote is a PNP na power.
You know, say I trouble though.
Yeah, man.
I choose him and attack, man.
The election call.
Hold on,
me and the Jamaica vote.
Hold on, Skill man, you know. You say Labour do everything that is good, and I hear eyesight, and know say that is good. You still not go vote. Cause here what? You see, you got him to say, boy, he didn't unite. I say as long as they are Jamaica, you would never see PNP unite with Labour, right? Because furthermore, PNP the party, they not the country. They just want a power, that's them slogan. You know what them slogan? Power. That alone tell you say, they're a dictator, they're a communist, and rare. You see them sign? See them sign fist, war, PNP love war, and rare. And all in any case necessary means to them in a power. That is them slogan, power. If you listen to the name of the party, I tell you all that, you know, Labour Party means you work for your own, you know. And the working people, Labour Party start off, you know, and Buster Manti, you know. That's like how we don't
okay, somebody there in the comments said that brother they always vote for PNP, you know. Somebody said that.
Me tell you, you know, say
somebody in the comments said that brother they always vote for PNP.
Anytime you wake up and hear your voice, me tell you them are going to vote for PNP.
You can't treat nobody boy, you're PNP. And the argument.
I say skill man. Watch out now.
Yeah.
If tomorrow morning you go lose your work when one party win and them are go fire you. Tell me if you're not go vote. If they might move you and then say if you not have no vote, tell me if you're not vote. Since I just say you not vote.
Nah, vote same. We're gonna go do farming when me start.
So listen,
you're wicked, man. You're wicked. We done with you. You're wicked. You're wicked.
Hold on.
You're a wicked bitch.
Skill man, listen to us.
You is not an easy boy.
Hold on.
You prove it on the panel. You're a wicked bitch.
Well, I know, Bridget. I'm asking towards the farming. So right now, because PNP are the PNP for the whole like the handout thing. So fly green come to you, so they help your farming and get some tool and get start. You know vote for him?
Just get left.
Nah, vote.
Ask that question, I ask no, I'm down, I'm more hear from him. Skill man, a fly grade, Minister of Agriculture right now. Here, it's him, listen up on the live and say, boy, you know, I'm going to help that bridge there. I'm going to help Skill man. I'm going to check you out, I'm going to get a start. Since I was in front of politician, I was
all right, Chroma, thank you for that finding. Now, gentlemen and lady, kid to bless.
A wicked boy, man.
Him not need the Minister of Agriculture. Him not around community.
Yeah, that's what we're I'm talking about you do the politician directly.
In there, vote, man.
Answer the question. I'm help you with the farming. Ask if you don't vote for him.
But I just say no. I give you
well, we are going to come on for this, man. You're PNP.
Yeah, man. Go on where you go, man.
You see, the put like your style, kind of love handout, get a handout style. I say, you want punch them directly, come search it.
So we talking truth, you say me a PNP.
Yeah, PNP.
Lie. So we talking truth, you say me a PNP.
No, man, you are
PNP. Talk PNP, not talk truth, man. That's a full of criminal. You don't know nothing name truth, brother. PNP, not talk truth.
If a man give me a help, he just give me a help, that nonsense means say me a go vote.
The truth, man. PNP, I'll do the truth. That's not full of something.
True, man.
Skill man, no easy at all.
Yeah, man. I want to expose that. All right, across the box.
You just open at the box. I said, I was going to argue with some labor, right? And I'm going to tell me, say, I really.
Remember, I know, from the company, still man, a wicked man. A long time, I listen to him. Before we even send a request, and I listen to him. I'm not going to go down a wicked man. A wicked man. Yo, me tell her, them not pay tax.
Man, say you support PNP, nothing wrong with that.
Hungry tax still man paying in the country, you know, we come out and paycheck, you know.
Gilman.
Yeah, man.
You know, it's our housing trust, you know.
Anybody knows we had a good job. Anybody right now we had a good job. Good job.
One of the reasons why I hear me the company now, when I try to show them that I really like them teach constitutional rights in the school.
But you know why you're not the fire, man. Right now, me I tell you this. Right now, me I tell you this. Anybody.
You need to learn your constitutional rights by yourself. You don't need it for teaching at school.
Anybody knows we had a good job. So the country stabilized and I try to go forward. And they don't vote for PNP. They lose my job.
You know, go back your constitution book, man, and read it, man. And learn your rights, man.
How much people can get access to that?
What? Constitution?
Yeah. How much people you also can get access to
it for yourself and keep off for people, man. Just as how you get everybody else.
Listen what I say. It's a PNP. We have PNP, but I would like read on that time. Jamaica, but I would like read on that time. So I'm going to tell about access to that. That's a style thing. You know what? Learn about the Constitution.
So when you're in a school,
Skill man.
Yeah, general, man.
I just chatting.
Yeah, man. That's
you have a problem with police? Man, you have a problem with police?
Never been a convict yet.
You can have that. You didn't want a good job. You didn't want a good job right now. Put fun and joke aside.
Him is an average Jamaican.
Hold on, then. You're the average Jamaican, and you know the track record of PNP, and know say if PNP come back, this country can jam. And we don't want the country to jam because the country is on a path to progress. And you know, see the country around, and you want to go for PNP, you will lose your job. You will lose your job. Remember me, I tell you that. Anybody who have a good job now, stable job. And I go on and go vote to PNP, they lose their job.
Because Skillman don't expect to go any further in life.
Bring up everyone team up and Skillman, you know. Because before they come up with Skillman was going to give me vote. But because they told me, nah, give me the vote again.
And they're ready for
Can't
and they're ready, man. And they're ready
Munchie,
for go somewhere there, man.
Munchie,
And they're
Skillman
ready for
don't
that, man.
expect to go
They're ready,
any
man.
Before
further
you start
in
gang
life.
up on Skillman was going to give me the vote, you know, but you know bother against your
If the
town.
Prime Minister of Jamaica ask Skillman for voting, I go give him. I realize say Skillman is a wicked man.
No, you know, understand Skillman, you know. Me I tell you what, God. Skillman, they are work, you know. And I truly know, say, if him not up on the program, I'm going to drop asleep.
He
Yeah,
might
man.
go drop asleep now, come here, go come up now.
He just come over here, so.
You
Man, I
might go
told
drop
man,
asleep now, plank. Me
I
nah
come
Yeah.
keep up no PNP
company man look for true,
ninja.
man.
True, man.
Munchie, tell you ready, Munchie. Do what you have to do.
Me nah keep up no PNP company
Yeah,
for
man.
ninja.
Lose half of your skill, man. Trust me. Me nah.
Include as me nah keep up no PNP company for
True,
ninja.
man.
I run.
Real talk, man.
Skillman, go look visa, because you say you want to run
Me
left
better
Jamaica.
try go and go drink some coffee or go drink one Red Bull. Cause me nah keep up no PNP.
But tell Master Mark say.
no job.
But tell Master Mark say. But
I'll
tell
hear my
Master
chatter.
Mark say. If he just tell Mark Golden say if he show himself in a constituency because people in my ball for him, they don't want the Prime Minister and they don't want police.
If you know this one,
More know if I'm a Jamaican still, you know. More issue and birth certificate, you know.
That the one.
My goal in no person in Jamaica. The RGD they have nothing for them, brother. If you go back to Albusta, man, Marcus can't find the RGD for them and can't find nothing for Mark Goldie.
Me say Skillman
So
was here.
how we come
Skillman
in
dey here about
politics?
4 hours now.
How we come in politics in Jamaica? And money put him in there.
About 2
Money.
hours, 2 hours from about 12.
Bandolo, man. The corruption, man. The PNP, them, man. You can expect it. People go through a loophole, you know, man. And remember, some liar to them, a criminal, you know, brother. You know that loophole them go through, you know.
yeah.
I'm for the skill, man.
Me nah bother get the
Election
support.
call
don't
tomorrow. Election call tomorrow. My vote for Phil Jackson.
Bridging, listen this. Mark Golden, Philip Palwell, Peter Bunting, mash up Jamaica, and Current Spencer, Omar Davis, mash up Jamaica. Remember me tell you that.
The whole of PNP mash up Jamaica, brother. The whole of them mash up Jamaica.
Dirty PJ.
This is tomorrow, man.
Be a board house, you know.
Hold on the motto. This is the skill, man. If tomorrow, man, election call, skill, man, I move to fix Jackson here. The same man, I say, he can't see. He might vote.
You can't see him. You can't see him.
That's pure thing.
It's a nasty. He nasty, man. It's still a vote the same way.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lady Katie Bless, Clean Breeze, Matto, look like Petal fall asleep. Skillman, thank you for coming. Ro and Plank, Katie Bless, TJ Chromas.
What you learn something tonight, Skillman.
Thank you, and see you tomorrow night.
Bless up my
at
friend them.
10.
Big up on yourself and the diaspora. Wherever you are.
Yeah, man, nice meet everybody. You
Big
know?
up everybody. Big
hang up on a one-way ticket, but just flash out the lady.